Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and in this video we're going to be learning the song Mount Zion by Josiah Queen. This song is original key is going to be in key of A sharp or B flat, whatever you like to call it. We're going to be using our capo on capo 3, and we're going to be using our G shapes. This song was a little hard to try to figure out, so leave a like and subscribe. It really does mean a lot. These videos do take a lot of work and effort to put together, and I'm doing them all for free, so all I ask you guys is a simple like and a simple follow. It means a lot. Anyways, let's get into this video. And I am a dead man wandering the desert, longing for a home. And I am not worthy or undeserving to come close to God's own throne. So that is your verse 1, the best that I could do it. Of course, I don't sing like Josiah Queen, but it's okay. We try our best. We start off with our G chord, R1 right here with the verse. Usually on this song, there's mostly piano playing and a little bit of fingerstyle picking towards most of the beginning of the song. But I'm going to keep it very simple for you guys, so that way it'll be just easier for y'all. But for sure, the first one, we're going to start with single strumming, down strums. Starting off with your G. I am a dead man. After that first line, you go into your 4, which is your C. Wandering the desert. So right real quick, 4 to your 1. So C to your G. Longing for a home to your D chord with your 5 right there on home. I am not worthy. So there's a really quick 5-1 there. You're going to do your E minor first though. I am not worthy. So on worthy, you're doing that 5. Well, it's not really a 5. We're basically walking down that bass note. But we're playing this chord right here. It's basically a variation of a D chord, but with that bass note up here for that flat that we're trying to walk down to that next chord, if that makes sense. But they do it really quickly, so I am not worthy nor undeserving. So practice that. To come close to God's own throne. And then back to your D chord right there. Like I said, guys, I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible for it to sound close to the original song as possible. After that, that's pretty much the verse. Like I said, single strumming for the verses. But with you, I belong with you. And in your presence, I belong with you. So that is your pre-chorus. It's a little bit high, so if you're struggling to sing it, you can bring down the capo, bring it to 2nd fret or 1st fret, whatever feels comfortable. But yeah, for this part, we're gonna go ahead and be playing our 6-5-1 really fast, which is your E minor. But with you, that same chord we played, the variation chord, where we're walking down that bass, same thing here. So we're going to do, but with you. Okay. 6-5-1. Okay. But with you, I belong. Right? I belong with you. So you play that 1, you play it twice. So 6-5-1 to the 1 to the 5. Okay. And then it repeats. And in your presence, I belong with you. So 6-5-1 to the 1 and to the 5. Okay. At this point, we're still doing single strumming, and then it builds obviously on that chorus. He said, my love is deep, my love is wide. It's a journey, it's a climb. But in every second, every mile, you belong here on Mount Zion. So that is your chorus right there. What we're doing here is we're gonna be playing our 6 again. So there's a little part where it says he said. That part, you would play your 6 right after that. He said, my love is deep, my love is wide. 6, 4, 1, which is your 6, E minor, D, C, and your G. My love is D, my love is Y. 6, which is your E minor. It's a journey, it's a climb. So after on climb there, you're going your 6 to the 4. It's a climb. Wait till you finish singing climb. Wait till you finish that, and then you go to your. You do that really quickly. 5, 6, right? It's a climb. Knowing every second. So on that part, on every, you're gonna play your C. Knowing every second, every mile. So on that last one, you don't wait to sing mile, you go right into it. You will go knowing every second. So on second, on every, you play your C. Knowing every second, every mile to your. So you do it really quickly. Your 1, 5, 6 to your 4 to your 5. Okay, so knowing every second, every mile. 4 to the 5 to the 1. Okay, so I know it's a lot of switches. It can get a little confusing there. So I'm gonna try to play it slowly. One last time. He said, my love is deep, my love is wide. It's a journey, it's a climb. Knowing every second, every mile. You belong here on Mount Zion. Go ahead and practice that as much as you need to. I know it's a little bit hard, but you guys got it. Y'all literally got it. Just practice and you will get it. Also, another thing to note, this chorus, there is also a post-chorus. There's not a bridge. So I'll go ahead and show y'all what I mean by this. Is pretty much the chorus, they swap out the first 2 lines for these other lines. They also swap out some of the chords on the pre-chorus, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do the pre-chorus, the second version, with the added chords. And then we're also going to go ahead and do the chorus or the post-chorus, and then we'll pretty much have all the song. There's no bridge for this song, but there are those 2 changes right here. But with you, I belong with you, and in your presence, I belong with you. Right there, we are playing our 6. Right, I belong, 5, 1, I belong, 4, 1. Okay, so you're doing your C to your G. And then I belong with you. And then you end on your D. Okay, so, but with you, 6, E minor, but with you, 5, 1, I belong. In your presence, I belong with you. So what you want to worry about here is the timing on I belong. You're going in with I, with your C. I belong to your G. So on belong, you play your G. On I, you play your C. I belong with you, and in your presence. 6, 5, 1. 4, 1 to the 5. Okay, hopefully that was easy to understand. It's just a little bit of more switching, a little bit. You don't really have to play it, I guess, but it does help out a bit. And then also the post-chorus. We'll get into the strumming pattern at the end. Just leaving it to the end. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible, just so it can be easy to understand. So the post-chorus is pretty much the same as the chorus, but all it does is it's just changing the lyrics out. The lyrics is instead of singing he said, my love is deep, my love is wide. Instead of singing that, you're singing, you can run but you can't hide, 'cause I have plans for your life. Knowing every second, So, and then the rest of the chorus is the same. So instead of singing those first 2 lines of the chorus, you're swapping those out. Everything else is staying the same chords wise, so you don't have to worry about it. But there is an outro for this song. So the outro is pretty much after that post chorus, like I was saying. Knowing every second, every mile, you belong here on Mount Zion. You belong here on Mount Zion. You belong here on Mount Zion. So that outro right there, very simple. You're just tagging the last part of the chorus. Knowing every season, every mile, you belong here on Mount Zion. You belong here on Mount. So you're going into your C on that first tag, C, to your D. You belong here on Mount, to your E minor. Okay? And then the second tag, which is your last one, which is your C again. You belong here on Mount Zion. And then it would end on the G chord right there. So really quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the strumming pattern for the chorus. Like I said, I wanted to keep it at the end just to make it simpler, chord wise, and I don't want people to get overwhelmed. For the strumming pattern, I just chose one that would fit the song. But with you, I belong with you in your presence. I belong with you. Love is deep, my love is wide. It's a journey, it's a climb. But in every second, every mile, you belong here on Mount Zion. So that's the best that I can do, you guys. I'm sorry if it's not that great, but this is the best that I can do for this song. So the idea of the strumming pattern is just to mimic what their finger style is playing, but pretty much the idea for the strumming pattern is gonna be, so it's like a down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. The strumming is a bit different from the other songs that he usually does. It's not as simple. It's a up, up, down, down, up, down, down. Now there could be some variation depending on the switches of the chords. So depending on those chord switches, like for example, he said, my love is deep, my love is wide. It's a journey, it's a climb. So right there, when there's fast switches, you want to kind of pick up the pace with the up and down. So the strumming pattern is not like exactly for every single part. Only on the fast switches you're going to be picking up the pace just to match back up with the song, if that makes sense. So he said, love is deep, my love is wide. It's a journey, it's a climb. And every second, every mile. For that first part, it's gonna be the one I just said, and then it switches a little bit. For those last couple of lines, it's gonna be a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Hopefully that kind of helps. I know it's a difficult song, so just try your best. But thank you so much for sticking around to the end. These videos are very difficult, so go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see more Josiah Queen videos or any other type of song, elevation, worship, whatever it is, let me know, you guys, down in the comments below. I love making these videos. It's such a joy to be able to bring other people and help them worship God in different ways and different songs and whatever it might be. Whenever I started learning guitar, I actually started with a tutorial just like you, and now I'm actually giving the tutorial, so it's just amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Again, don't forget to check out the chord chart, link in the description. It's amazing. It would really help, and it would really help you out if you're stuck learning and you're just struggling. But yeah, thank you so much, you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one, and peace out.
I'll sing of your grace.